Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an app I built that automatically finds group ticket offers for events in 2025, or it can be a future ticket using Bing search and the FEVO ticketing platform, whether you're looking for concerts, sports, um, college events. This tool saves you hours of manual scraping. Now, this is a simple desktop app. I already, I'll show you the, what you call this, the interface first, okay? That's going to be Python offer fevo.py. Okay, hold on. Sorry about that. That's fevo underscore offer or active. Okay, and then I'm going to run this app. As you can see, this is the one that this is a simple desktop app built with Python using Flet. You can see here on the libraries, right? And using the interface is Flet, okay? And Playwright will be the one who is going to control the browser automation. It opens up Bing search, and the result in the background extract valid FEVO links. Check if the ticket sales are open or filter by events dates, all automatically. Okay, you just have to select the start date and the end date here, and then you can either select the predefined category, like this one down here or up here, concert, festival, college, comedy, music, Broadway, group tickets, student, MLB, NBA 2025 group tickets, NFL, NHL, wrestling, soccer, right? If you have an idea, or you have a custom search, for instance, you can put it here. Like for instance, you want Ariana Grande 2025 tickets, or Taylor Swift 2025 tickets. You just have to put it here and then click on Start Search. But you have to put the start date, right, and the end date. Okay, it should be within that specific range of the one that you are going to select in here, and then click on the start search. So if you put the search keywords here, you have to click on the start search here. If you click on the drop down, for instance, concert 2025, you have to click on start search down up here. Okay, and let's run the real example. I'll search for NBA 2025 group tickets and pick a date range, which I call this, which I st so when I click on the start scraping, the app opens Bing in the background and start filtering through the result. But I didn't hide the browser because, as you can see here on the here, it's headless browser, but it's currently false because I want to see the actual outcome of the browser. Okay, or what's being scraped by the browser, right? And now I'm going to, oh, by the way, I also convert this what you call this app that I created using Python to an executable file. I'll show that to you later on, but right now I'm going to start scraping and look for NBA 2025 group tickets, and it will going to check if those those information will going to be um, all right. As you can see, there is here NBA 25 group tickets, but I'm going to put it here also. I'm going to click on start, select start date, and then I'm going to put 12 of May, and then the end date will be let's say let's put it December, because the opening of the NBA, I think that's going to be November or October. Okay, we're going to click on OK. Hold on, start date. Let's put October 1st. Okay, and then we're going to click on Start Scraping. So you can see it's on the in the background right now, right? It's going to go right, but later on it will going to open up all those links one by one, and then it will going to put the title here and the link in this table. Okay. Now once it's done, you can export all the links to a CSV file by clicking on the export to CSV file. That's perfect if you organize an event or just want to share deals with a group, right? This built with the Flet, like I told you, that UI in Playwright for headless browsing. Like I told you, I didn't hide the browser because I put there false so that the browser will going to show on the screen. But if we're going to put it true, I mean the browser will going to be hidden, but it will going to scrape everything on the search result in Bing. Okay. Now, if you want to try it out or get the code, right, just what you call this, put a comment down below, and then I'll add the source code in GitHub. Okay, if you found this useful, please like, comment, and or just smash the like button. Okay, and then put a comments down below. Just subscribe for more tools like this, right? But before I go, I'm just going to show you every link that was indicated here. I forgot to put something in the table, like for instance, title, links, and then status, so that we can say if Python will going to determine if that link is active or expired. Okay. Then I'll show you the should call this the counterpart of this app in an executable file, right? You just have to run it. You don't have to install in your computer, so that will going to occupy space on your hard drive or your in your SSD. Okay, going to double click on this one, offer FEVO. So you can see here it's executable in this folder under disk offer FEVO, and then I'm going to run it. All right, so you can see it's almost the same with the one that I started earlier. This one, okay? It's almost the same with the one that I told. Well, they are the same. There's no what you call this difference on the outcome of the links that's going to be grabbed by this app. Yes, the only difference that if you going to use this, you have to install Python on your computer. But if you're going to use this one, you just have to run it automatically on your computer. Now, hold on. As you can see here, hold on, let me put. All right, as you can see, all the 2020, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 will not be scraped or will not be grabbed. All the links associated with those year will not be grabbed by this app. And okay, all the buttons on that page of FEVO ticket offers, if they have a buy button, buy tickets, check ticket, get holiday special, make a purchase, buy now, purchase now, get deal, grab ticket, or just ticket button or any kind of button on an active FEVO ticket offer, it will be, I mean, the app will going to grab the link. The link is available on the address bar of that page. It will grab it and then put it on our table. All right, and then let me show you something here. All right, here's the keywords that was inserted on the app, especially on the executable. It's also available in the executable file and also on the Python code or Python program by starting it by Python offer FEVO.py. It also have sports, concert, festival, college, comedy, music, Broadway, group tickets, student MLB, NBA, NFL, National Hockey League, right? And then wrestling, soccer. As you can see, it will going to also give you some what you call this warnings, right? If there is any button there that is, or if the button is not available on the ticket, it will not be scraped by the browser. Okay. The search category. Okay, the search category, as you can see, search, enter your own search keyword. There's only an example. It's a hint. It's a placeholder. It's Ariana Grande 2025 tickets. And then at the start date, of course, we're going to prompt if you didn't select the start date and the end date. And also the title is here. As you can see, I didn't put the column for the status. So it will going to tell us if it is active or not, or if it is expired. But I'm going to do that probably in the future. If you have any question regarding the program, just comment down below. And then what else? Okay. As you can see, start scraping on the app. As you can see, it's already been scraped. It's a lot. St. Louis Bellhawks County, right? And then yeah, that's only 270 lines of code in this Python script. All right. But on the it's also the same with the executable file. Okay. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want to see how this was built step by step, or if you have any kind of project that you want to create. I'm more than happy to create that for you. Let's chat, or just shoot me an email if you have any question. All right. Thank you very much, and have a good one.